How to change the lock screen wallpaper and picture in a Windows PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is what you see when you first go and turn on your computer, or you open it up, and you can go and customize it to your own image, or another one will guide you through the steps. So what we need to do is go and open your settings. You can right-click in some blank space on your desktop and press Personalize, or you can go and open up your settings and go to the left and press Personalization. Next, go and scroll down, and you can find the lock screen. Come to Personalize, and you can go and choose between a picture, a window spotlight, and a slideshow. So in this case, I could go and choose a picture, then I've got some recent ones here, but I could press Browse and go and select another one if I wanted to. At the top here you can then go and see the example.